Hey guys, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I wanted to talk to you about the industrial cleaning innovation. Vapor Honing Technologies has definitely taken a huge step in cleaning up industrial parts. In most cases, we're offering wet blasting equipment, but we wanted to talk to you today about the HydroBlast. This is a parts washer. In most cases, the parts washer is going to be used with an aqueous-based detergent. We have several different options available for you to fit your needs and your application. So the options that we offer is the regular HydroBlast, the standard HydroBlast, which is going to put out 1200 PSI at the gun with a jet or fan spray. Then we have the HydroBlast Max. This machine is going to put out 4000 PSI. So using the high pressure parts washers, this is going to get your parts to an area of having a clean surface, and it's going to save you time and ready to move to the next part. These parts washers use a heated up to 120 degree process that is going to give you a deep clean. It's going to melt away any oil, grease, or grime. Our parts washers are 5 times more efficient than your normal parts washers that are in the market today. Parts washers are ideal for maximum contamination removal with minimal effort. So it's going to save you time with this process and this high pressure with heat. So the other option other than manual parts washers is automation. This is going to save you time, it's going to save you labor. We have 3 options. We have a standard automated parts washer, we have an insulated parts washer, and a high pressure parts washer. All of our automated parts washers are going to have an easy load door. They're also going to have a crane access for easy loading. The automated parts washers also have a door switch for safety features and solvent capabilities. With the exception of the high pressure parts washers, they are mostly aqueous-based detergents. So in summary, with our parts washers that we offer at Vapor Honing Technologies, you're getting an efficient, high pressure cleaning, which is going to save you both time and money. Give us a call, let us know if you have questions, if there's demos we can do for you. You can reach us at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.